In this video, I'll show you how to undo a bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online's new interface when you reconciled the wrong period, used the wrong account, or later found missing or duplicate transactions. From the left menu, go to Transactions, then open the Reconcile tab. At the top, carefully select the exact bank or credit card account you're working on. This is the most important check before changing anything. On the Reconcile page, click History by Account in the top right to view a list of past reconciliations with statement ending dates and ending balances. Then match those to your bank statement so you're targeting the correct month. Once you find the reconciliation to reverse, click the small drop-down arrow next to it and choose Undo, then confirm the warning. QuickBooks will remove the reconciled status and return those transactions to unreconciled so you can correct dates, amounts, or entries and re-reconcile properly. If you don't see Undo, it's typically limited to accountant level access, so you may need to invite your accountant or use an accountant login. Subscribe for more clear, stress-free QuickBooks tutorials.